Now here at Trader Joe's, this is nuts. I do not want nuts. No. What I'm looking for. I don't see it in it. It's definitely not this. So, teeny tiny potatoes. They're just so cute. The cutest potatoes I've ever seen. So, here it is. I found one of them. Oh wait, I forgot to grab the Scandinavian swimmers. Alright. Back to where my mom's at. And my sister is not here. Root lost. Also, easy. Mini watermelon. So cute. Ice cream? Well, we're not getting any. Excuse me. I don't know why it makes that sound. Refrigerator. It sounds like a hydraulic elevator that is stopping or started. Or started.
Thank you, who broke the shrimp. What's up, Chad? Thank you for pulling these shrimp bowls out. I had these in here just whack. You better take this stack back.
I don't know what these dragons are. Cinnamon. Alright, this is off the charts. So we are holding off with gummies for now. Just for now. But yeah, that concludes the video since my phone's running out of battery. Alright, now let's get back to the house and start packing and sorting out our snacks. But before, we got one more stop. Target. We just got our one product off video, and now here we are gonna get something. So
we just use what we have.
Alright, we're not gonna get anything here, unfortunately. These big things. What? Okay, that was kind of high up. Yeah, it's kind of bright looking over here. Yeah, here's mommy's favorite deodorant, and the phone shut off. We're gonna stop. All right, so it is time to start the packing. As you can see, I just opened a dryer not too long ago, and opened the machine not too long ago too. There's some rusted paint in there. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and empty the dryer and do it in time lapse. But unfortunately, I do not have a basket, and most of the baskets have been used. So I'm just gonna have to hold tight here for a second. Also, I got my blanket too. So yeah, there's no baskets. Anyways, first things first, when we're going to our cabin, we're gonna have this capture card, 4K, 0 latency, and all the cables that came with it, the power cable and the monitor cable too. So we're gonna just leave this here on the floor, and yeah. And then we're going to take off the microphone because I am bringing this with me. So yeah, but first of all, I gotta unplug the audio interface. The audio interface is unplugged now, so now we can continue with what we're doing. Now, I haven't started packing my suitcases, and it's like late at night. Like, look, like, you see that? See, we got that window replaced. It's like kind of late at night, so I'll be taking this in probably in my backpack. I will be. probably too tall for that, but I'm still taking this though. I might put it in my suitcase. And then I have to detach my microphone cable completely, so that means this is gonna have to be detached. I just wanna go back to 1999. Took a ride to my old neighborhood. I just wanna go. Anyways, I got my Fitbit charger. Well, my Fitbit over here, as you can see. And yeah, I got 13,000 steps. 13,227. And I'm going to go ahead and swipe down to my activities because I've been active a lot. So yeah, I have like... See? It's the maximum I reached. 8 out of 9. So I'm almost done. I got to do one more activity and then I'm at 9 of 9. And then it's going to vibrate telling me, look, I have 8 out of 9.
Okay.
Wait, stepped on me with... Not right now. I'm trying to get my audio equipment out of here.
Out of where?
I'm gonna pack the audio equipment.
Oh, okay.
Alright. So, as you can see, gonna have to be a little quieter. Because it's gonna be nighttime soon, so. Pardon this unclear hallway. Now, what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to go ahead and leave the equipment here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my bag. To get through here, I'm going to remove things from the bag and let's put the equipment in here, the pencils in here. And also a compartment over here. It's empty. Now, what we're going to do is go ahead. We're gonna get some of the stuff out. What I'm gonna do here is put some of my equipment in here. This is audio interface USB. This is audio interface. That is not gonna work. Equipment. Put my backpack. Anyways. This next. Now this. In here. That's all I had to show. But tomorrow I will be getting the Blue Martin in there. But for now, that concludes it. Anyways, let me get this back up the wall. Yeah, here's our essentials. I'm not taking these, I don't know. But we will be certainly taking the detergent. And I have my phone charger here. Well, actually, it's a computer cord. So, I kept for this for the longest of time. Anyways, that's the video equipment and audio equipment for now. But I will see you tomorrow for day 2. So one of my family members are ordering us to put what we want to wear in this basket. So obviously, I have some reserved outfits sitting in the closet over here. So that's how we're basically going to do it. I have reserved outfits for probably 4 days. So I have to take the tags off of them. And yeah, I just switched into my pajamas. So I'm no longer in my very comfortable outfit. I'm going to be wearing this with long sleeves, of course, because it's very comfortable. I'm going to bring this charging pack. I don't think it has been charged, but yeah, it has been fully charged. So, yeah. Give me some of the color ones, so that goes in the basket.